Watch out. Go over there. Go over there. Go. I just want to show you guys the before and the after. This is why you get rid of carpet, because carpet gets dirty. Get rid of the carpet out your house. It causes allergies and everything. So we about to redo all this. So right here, guys, I'm just gonna be cutting out that rock mark, marking it out where the 16s is at. Perfect. Everything I do comes out like this. Like they say in Maryland, and I could get it right for you too.
Why Satan always uses this girl? Like,
guys, now that the floor done, I patched up. You already know, I'm short for words, but I just want to show y'all everything. It's gonna look completely different real soon. All right, guys, everything's done. You know, we put that on. I still got a brush sanding. I'm gonna go over the top baseboards with another layer of paint, but this is everything, guys, for the most part. Show y'all everything. Boom. I know y'all remember that right there. Go on. Remember that? Remember that down there? Go on. We got up here. I'll show you guys everything. Boom. Boom. I'm gonna come back and show you guys. But thank you guys for watching and being a part of this process. You guys have a great day.